Ahoj, dobrý den, přeju vám krásný čtvrtek a protože je čtvrtek, tak mám pro vás novou lekci, nové video. Hello, wishing you a nice Thursday, and because it's Thursday, I have a new lesson, a new video for you. Today we are going to talk about vocabulary, which is related to having vacation or simply not working. I'll start by explaining these 4 words that I wrote on the board. First one is Volno. Volno means free space, and it can also mean a free time. I will get to that later. Dovolená. Dovolená means vacation, but it's only off work. I will also get to that. The next one, prázdniny. Prázdniny means holiday, vacation, but for people that go to school. Svátek means a holy day, a single holiday. We could also say a state holiday. All these 4 words are nouns. And these first 3 would be commonly used with the verb to have. If I wanted to say, I have a day off tomorrow, I would say, zítra mám volno. In this case, because this is neuter, it's a neuter noun, you can see that because of the ending, it doesn't change its form. Maybe you remember, and I hope you do, that after mám, the verb to have, you would use an accusative case because it's the object of the sentence. I have something. Zítra mám volno. Tomorrow I have a day off. Tomorrow I have some free time. Dovolená. This is also a noun, although you might be wondering why do we have this accent? It's because it came from an adjective. The important thing is dovolená is a feminine noun. Ta dovolená. Grammatically is a noun, but it follows the rules as a feminine adjective. So what does that mean? That means that if you want to say I have vacation of work, you would say mám dovolenou, because the accusative adjective would change. Would change to o. If you wanted to say mám dobrou náladu, I have good mood, dobrá changed to dobrou. This is the same. Dovolená changed to dovolenou, because it came from an adjective, so we have to be considerate of the ending, but it's a noun. Ta dovolená. So we can have it. We can say I have vacation. Prázdniny. It's a noun. It's plural noun. So you say mám prázdniny, and it doesn't change at all because plural accusative would only change for masculine animate. So when we talk about people and animals. And what about the word svátek? Well, svátek, when we talk about it as a state holiday and we want to say tomorrow there is no work because of the state holiday, we would say zítra je svátek. Je svátek. This would be the nominative. Zítra je svátek. Tomorrow there is a bank holiday, a state holiday. You might also know the second meaning of the word svátek, and that is a name day, because in the Czech Republic we celebrate name days. Every day it's somebody's name day, and you can check it in a Czech calendar, and we celebrate it. It's like a mini birthday. It would say dnes má svátek Jan. And that would be connected with the verb to have. So if you say mám svátek, it means it's my name day. And when you say je svátek, you are talking about a state holiday. It's a state holiday and the offices are going to be closed, for example. Let's talk about the etymology of these words, which will really help you understand how these words work and why we do what we do with these words. So let's start with volno. Volno, as I mentioned, means something is free, but not as in free of charge, definitely not. This means free as in freedom, because there are no responsibilities, there is no program, there is no work. So it's all up to you. Volno. Similar to the adjective volný. Volný is the adjective and volno is the noun from that. Let's start with the adjective. Volný, free of responsibilities or vacant. We can use this in a connection with the word den. Volný den. You can say mám volný den. I have a free day. I don't have to do anything. I don't go to work. Volný den. You can also use volný as in that something is free for taking. For example, volná židle. Ta židle je volná. The chair is free. You can take it. You can say ta sklenička je volná. The glass is free. You can grab it. Ta sklenička je volná. Volná sklenička. And also you can say pokoj je volný. The room is free. We have vacancy in our hotel room. Volný pokoj. Volný pokoj. Vacant room. Volný can also mean something is loose, not tight. Tričko je volné. It's loose. And it's also an unofficial term for single. So you can say, on je volný, he's free, he's single, he isn't dating anybody now. Je volný. Free for taking. So just remember, volný doesn't mean free of charge. Now you can understand much more this verb volno. Volno is a noun and it means a free time, a free day, or even vacancy. When you are looking for a parking spot in a parking lot underground or somewhere, you would sometimes have this sign, they would say parking volno. They want to tell you that there are still some free spots. Instead of saying mám volný den, mám volný týden, mám volnou hodinu, 1 hodinu, you can simply say mám volno, which means I have free time, but then you would have to specify how much. Is it a day or is it 1 week or how much? Mám volno. So you could say můžu ti pomoct, protože mám teď volno. I can help you because I'm free now. But it doesn't say for how long, so it would have to be understood from that situation, from the context. Just like in English, when you say I'm free now. You can say that also with this adjective. Jsem volná na sobotu, jsem volná v sobotu. I'm free for Saturday. Or you could say v sobotu mám volno. On Saturday I have free time or free day. Dovolená comes from the verb dovolit. Dovolit means to allow, to give permission. Important thing is, dovolená is for people that work. Prázdniny is for school children. Dovolená. When you have a job, you usually have a superior. So you have to ask for permission to take some days off or weeks off. So you take the allowed days, the allowed time. Dovolená is a feminine adjective originally because it means dovolená doba, we could say, the allowed period. And because it's a term, we made it a noun. Ta dovolená. Mám dovolenou. Prázdniny comes from the adjective prázdný and the noun dny. Prázdné dny. Prázdný, prázdná, prázdné means empty, vacant. Prázdné dny, empty days. So when children are not at school, their days are empty because they don't have to go to school. There is no program, there is freedom. Prázdné dny, prázdniny. The empty days, vacant days. So again, dospělí mají dovolenou. The adults have vacation. Děti mají prázdniny. Children have vacation, holiday. When we talk about teachers, we would also say teachers have prázdniny because they are in the school system. They would not take weeks off and ask their superior because there is a given period of time. Děti a učitelé mají prázdniny. And the last one, svátek. Svátek is a holy day. It means there is a state holiday and the offices are closed. And svátek can also mean a name day. So mám svátek, it's my name day. Let's have a look at more examples with the noun volno, free time, the not specified free period. You can say mám volno. I'm free. I have free time. Beru si volno. Beru si, I'm taking some days off. And again, from this sentence, you don't know, are you taking a day off, the afternoon off, the whole week off? So you would have to say, na zítra si beru volno. I'm taking tomorrow off. Or v únoru si beru volno. I'm taking the whole February off. This is from the verb brát si. Brát si, to be taking something. In this case, it's future. And then, if you already took the days off, you would say vzal or vzala jsem si. Vzala jsem si volno. Vzal jsem si volno for a male speaker. I took some days off, some period of time off. And that's from vzít si, which also means to take, but we use it for finished action. So vzala jsem si, I took something. And this means rather I am taking, as in near future. And because volno is a noun, it can be used with these connections. Beru si den volna. Den volna. This would be genitive case because you are saying I'm taking a day of free time. Beru si den volna, but that's why here we have a, because volno changed to volna because of genitive. A day of free time. Beru si týden volna. I'm taking a week off. Beru si měsíc volna. I'm taking a month off. Beru si rok volna. I'm taking a year off. So volno just means that you have some free time. You are not working. You could also replace the word volno by dovolená. To be exact, dovoleno, because you need the accusative case. And that would be specifically for time of work. Mám dovolenou, I have vacation. Beru si dovolenou, I'm taking vacation. Beru si den, in this case it would be dovolené. Beru si den dovolené, týden dovolené, etc. Dovolená is for adults that work. Prázdniny is for children and teachers. And volno is something general. It just means that you are not working. Even children, students could say zítra mám volno, meaning tomorrow there is no school. A to je ode mě všechno. Doufám, že se vám video líbilo, že pro vás bylo zajímavé. Jestli máte nějaké otázky nebo komentáře nebo nápady, tak mi napište komentář pod video. This is all from me. I hope that you liked the video, that you found it useful. If you have any comments or ideas, just write me a comment under the video. If you're starting with the Czech language and you would like to learn a little bit more with more structure, make sure to check my video course. You can find the link underneath the video. Mějte se krásně, užijte si zbytek týdne. Have a good time and enjoy the rest of your week. Ahoj!